My fellow South Africans, there's really not much to celebrate this Workers' Day when 12 million South Africans cannot find work. How can we possibly celebrate when youth unemployment stands at 56%? And how can we celebrate when workers can buy less and less with their wages because food prices have gone up by 14% and electricity prices by 19% in this past year? The thing we can celebrate, however, is that we live in a democracy. And in the 2024 national election, we can replace this job-destroying ANC government with a job-creating, DA-led, moonshot-packed government.
Workers can stop the bloodbath on retrenchments when they are united. The planned retrenchments at the post office must be condemned and must be stopped. All of us, including workers, must oppose any retrenchments